Hi gorgeous, I have here the last Boxycharm box. Boxycharm was bought by Ipsy. Ipsy is another subscription service with makeup products, and I was very sad to see that we wouldn't get any more Boxycharm boxes. This one is the Boxycharm base box of March. It is the end of an era. If you have never heard of Boxycharm, this was a makeup subscription service with 5 full-size products for $28. It was $25. Now it is almost $30. I have never tried Ipsy and Ipsy bag, so I'm very curious to see what they are going to create with Boxycharm. I have also subscribed to the Merve box. I'm a huge fan of Boxycharm. I think it was the best subscription service. I have also tried Look Fantastic and Glossy Box in Europe, but I didn't like them. So the reason that I subscribed 3 years ago to Boxycharm is because I wanted to get makeup products and skincare in full size and also at a better price. Okay, this is the last box. I live in Germany and I'm using a forwarding service. It is called Planet Express. I have done a community post. If you have any questions how to use a forwarding service, I'm going to have a link in the description box for the community post. I don't have a card with the prices for these products, only this one that explains the new subscription services by Ipsy and Boxycharm. So I'm thinking that the products are not a variety of the March base box and they were randomly placed in my box. As I have seen on Instagram, the theme for the March Boxycharm was Planet Woman. So we're gonna see, do I have any Planet Woman products here? So the first one is a palette and it is by the brand Give Them Lala Beauty. This is the baby palette. I have received another palette by this brand in another Boxycharm and it wasn't very pigmented. You could use the palette, but the eyeshadows were not very intense on the eyes. So let's see what we have here. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, a lot of pinks and berries. I'm not super excited with the color story, but these shades are looking super beautiful as blushes. Is this a face blush? Face palette. We have a huge mirror. I don't know what is the price because I don't have the card, so let's check it online. As I can see on their website, this one retails for $42, and let's swatch some of the shades because it is unfair to say something bad. So far the swatches are not disappointing. I'm going in the second row, not third. Okay, this one is so and so. The other two shades are looking very nice. And let's go now to the third row. Okay. I think these are the most terrible swatches that I have ever done. And they are so close to my bracelet. The third row, all of the eyeshadows are looking very nice. Only this shimmery one and this peachy are not very promising, but I will have to use all of the eyeshadows on my eyes. As I can see, we have only 2 shimmery shades here. I would prefer if this one was shimmery, so we could highlight the eyes. On the packaging, we have a lady with a pacifier. It says baby. The next product that I'm seeing is by Item Beauty, and it is a gel pencil crayon gel in the shade Lucky Line. Okay, I'm guessing. Oh, the name of the product is Lucky Line Gel Pencil and the shade is black. Okay, so Item Beauty is a brand by a very famous TikToker. I think her name is Addison Rae. I'm hoping I'm not killing her name. Let's take it out. Let's see how creamy it is. Oh, it smells so nice. I really like wooden pencils. And, ooh, it's creamy. Oh, it's not super easy to blend. It is gripping on my skin, so that's promising for a smudge-proof eye pencil. I'm very curious to try this in the waterline. I wouldn't suggest using this as a base on the eyelid for a dark smoky eye look because it's not easy to blend. Okay, now it is completely set. and I'm not able to move it. I'm curious if it says on the packaging if this is... Yes. This waterproof liner glides on ultra soft and stays put for 9 hours. Sweat and smudge proof. Yeah, I think it is. The packaging is super pretty. I also have a mascara by this brand that I'm going to try in a future video. Okay, maybe I'm gonna use that as well. Yeah, I'm gonna use them together. The price for this one is $14, and as I have seen, it is not anymore on Sephora. I'm not sure why. So the next product that I have here is by the brand Il Maquillage. So this is the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. The packaging is super pretty. I have the shade Black. Let's see the actual mascara. Ba-bam. Ooh, it's super bougie. It reminds me the Milk Makeup mascaras, but the Milk Makeup are bulkier. So let's see the applicator of this one. Ooh, we have plastic bristles. The shape is round and tapered. Let's see if we have more information on the packaging. So it doesn't say if it is smudge proof, waterproof, or something like that. I really like testing new mascaras. I have a series on my channel. The name is Which is the Best, and I'm doing comparison reviews of mascaras by different brands. This mascara retails for $27. I hope it gives the best volume to my lashes because it is super expensive. And I have another product. What is this? This is the Mordida lip stain. I can't read what's the name of the brand. Oh, maybe it is Reina Rebelde. Oh yeah, it is Reina Rebelde. Oh my god, very difficult to read. The packaging is so pretty. It has roses on the inside. Cute. It doesn't say what is the shade of the lip stain. Oh, it says Primer Beso. Maybe that's the name. We have this packaging. It reminds me a lot the aesthetic of the makeup brand. What's the name? KVD? I don't remember what KVD means. Kat Von D? Okay, I don't know. But it reminds me a lot of the KVD beauty products. You know, that dark goth aesthetic. And let's see what we have. Ooh, okay. I don't know why I'm surprised. It is just a doe foot applicator. It is an orange nuded shade, and I'm going to let it for a few seconds on the back of my arm. We have a sweet chemical scent. I think it is an outdated scent. Moment of truth. Oh, it didn't stain. I have just a faint of color here. The formula is very creamy. The color is unusual. I would never choose something like this. Let me know if you have tried any products by this brand. For me, it is very new. I don't know who is Reina Rebelde. So the price for this one is $16. Moving on to a product by the brand Yensa. This is the Super 8 Lip Oil, and it is a luxe lip color. I have here the Boss Berry, and the super oils that we have are coconut oil, vitamin E oil, rice bran oil, avocado seed oil, carrot seed oil, chia seed oil, black sesame seed oil, and flax seed oil. I don't know if I will be able to use it because I have an allergy to sesame. Yeah, and I really like sesame. Ooh, the packaging is pretty. I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand. It smells like bubblegum. Ooh, the color is very pretty. This is something that I would choose. So this one reminds me the new Rare Beauty lip oils. I wanted to get at least one shade, but everything is sold out. I was too slow. And this lip oil is super creamy. It is like a full coverage lip gloss with all of those oils to hydrate the lips. It is also a tinted lip oil. Okay, I'm going to remove it. I don't want to have the taint. After this video, I'm going to film my nighttime skincare routine, and I want to show you the products on the back of my hand. And this one claims to be lightweight, non-sticky. Also, it can minimize the appearance of fine lines. Okay, it sounds like a skincare and makeup product together for your lips. It sounds nice. I found the price online. This one is $29 and the overall value of this box is $128. I have paid $28. I'm super happy about that. I don't think this was a variety box. I think these were very random products. This happened to me again with the November base box. After that, I unsubscribed because I couldn't receive the box in December. I was visiting my family, so I'm going to try the new Ipsy Boxycharm box for the next few months. I hope it is as good as the Boxycharm base box. I'm going to miss this box. No, I'm not gonna keep it because I'm a hoarder of boxes. So if you like lip glosses, you can find here my MAC swatches.